What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to block internet access to specific programs or application on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So just go to this system or search bar and then you type Windows Defender and you click on Windows Defender Firewall, just like that, and then you're going to come up with this kind of a window. Go to, on your right hand side pane, select advanced settings, and it's the second last. So just click on advanced settings, and then you click on the outbound rules. You can see that here we have inbound rule, and the moment you click on it, you can see that everything changes on the right hand side. So you click on the outbound rule, and then you're going to click on new rule. So we're going to create new rule, and then the rule type here, you're going to select the rule type. So we have these four. We have program, port, predefined, and we have custom. So for this case, I'm going to block a program. So I'm going to make sure that the first the first radio button is selected, that is program. That is if you are going to block the program. Now click next, and then here you're going to specify the path to the program. Now before that, you can, if you want to block internet for all applications that you have in your computers, kindly select the first options. So, but if you're going to block a specific program, just select this program path, and then you're going to specify the path here. So let me first of all minimize this so that I want to block internet access to this Notepad++. So or if you have any other program that you want to just select all, and then you can navigate to the program. But for this case, I have this shortcut on my desktop. Yeah, I'm going to right click on it so that to get the path. So the path to executable file. So I just right click on it and go to open file location. Right click on it and then go to path location, and then here you have the executable file, the .exe. Now right click on it. If you're on Windows 11, you just right click on it and then copy as path. But if you're on Windows 10, press down Control Shift and right click and click on copy as path. Now minimize that and go back to your firewall. So just go to the outbound and create with the same process. Now you're going to paste the path here, but make sure that you remove the double quotes on both sides, and then you click on next. Now here you click, make sure that you select the block the connection, and then you click next, and make sure that you select the correct rule. If you want this rule to only apply to domain or private, you can check if you want this to apply to private or this one public. But if you want to apply to all this, just make sure that all of them are selected. So I'll click next, and give your rule a name. For this case, let me just call it the name of that program, Notepad plus plus. You can add a description here, then you click on finish. So we have your rule right there, and it's now this application can't access internet cannot access internet connection. So that's how you block internet access to a specific application on your computer.